Hey there, this is Oliver. You've heard for sure of the International Criminal Court, or maybe just the ICC in The Hague. But how much do you really know about the world's only permanent war crimes tribunal? This isn't just about courtrooms and gavels. This is about justice on a global scale. Its victories, its challenges, and the hard truths the world needs to face. Let's dive into 10 powerful insights about the ICC and why it matters now more than ever. 1. The ICC is the first and only permanent international criminal court. Before the ICC, war criminals often walked free. Now, for the first time in history, there's a standing court to hold them accountable for genocide, war crimes, crimes against humanity, and crimes of aggression. This isn't just a court, it's a warning. The world is watching. 2. It's independent, for better and worse. Unlike the International Court of Justice, the ICC operates independently from the United Nations. That means no political vetoes, no special favors. But it also means it relies on state cooperation, something not all countries are eager to provide. 3. Yes, the US, China, and Russia aren't members, and that's a problem. Some of the world's most powerful nations, including the United States, Russia, and China, are not party to the Rome Statute. That doesn't stop the ICC from investigating where it can, but let's be honest. Global justice without global participation is justice with limits. 4. Africa and the ICC, a complicated relationship. The ICC has faced criticism for focusing on African leaders, but many of its cases were actually referred by African countries themselves. Still, the perception of bias has damaged trust. The question remains, can the ICC truly be universal when power and politics aren't? 5. It's prosecuting war crimes in Ukraine, Palestine, and beyond. The ICC is now investigating major conflicts in Ukraine, Palestine, and Sudan. These cases are monumental, not just legally but politically, because pursuing justice against powerful actors isn't just hard, it's dangerous. But the ICC isn't backing down. 6. Justice takes time, but delays can cost lives. Critics slam the ICC for its slow pace. Some trials take years, but thorough justice, especially on the international stage, is complex. Still, the court must ask itself, can it balance due process with the urgency of justice? 7. It has no police force, and that's a huge weakness. The ICC has no power to arrest suspects. It depends on countries to enforce its warrants. That's why major fugitives remain at large. A court without teeth? Not exactly. But it's a court that needs allies to bite. 8. Its impact goes beyond convictions. The ICC sets legal precedents that influence national courts. It gives victims a platform. It shines a spotlight on atrocities governments would rather hide. Even when it doesn't convict, it changes the conversation. 9. It's pushing legal boundaries, like Ecocide. The ICC is exploring the prosecution of ecocide, mass environmental destruction. Imagine a world where polluters could be tried like war criminals. It's ambitious, it's controversial, and it's exactly the kind of bold thinking the planet needs. 10. It's not perfect, but it's necessary. The ICC isn't flawless. It's underfunded, politically constrained, and often underestimated. But it's also the best shot the world has at real accountability for the worst crimes imaginable. Because without courts like this, the alternative is impunity. Always. In a world where power often trumps principle, the ICC dares to say, no one is above the law. And even if it stumbles, the path it walks matters. If you believe in justice, share this. If you doubt it, watch what comes next.